Hello. Here's something that might surprise you. According to Greek mythology, Hermaphroditus, the child of Hermes and Aphrodite, fell so passionately in love with a nymph named Salmesis that they beseeched Zeus to unite them for all time and were joined in a single body in which both sexes remained manifest. In India, the Hindu tradition has, if anything, a more powerful version of this story from the very summit of the Hindu pantheon, which glorifies not only the beauty of the physical union of the sexes, but the union of male and female principles. There's a deity called Ardhanarishvara, a Sanskrit word which comes from three elements: Ardha meaning half, Nari meaning woman, and Ishwar meaning God, a god depicted as being male on one side and female on the other. So it's interesting, isn't it, that at this moment when we're having such a complicated conversation about gender identity and its many aspects and manifestations, that people have had a very complex idea about this both in Western and Eastern culture for thousands of years.